Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing perfect. So students, in English primer our today's topic is the long sound of vowel U. U. Tube. Dude. Cube. U. Fruit. Juice. Suit. U. Blue. Fuel. Glue. More words. Q. Rue. Q. Cute. June. Sue. Jute. Huge. Nude. Fume. Clue. Guilt. Mule. Tune. Build. Let's move forward. Look at the pictures and find their names in the given word maze. Write their names also in given space. So you have to look at the pictures and find their names in the maze given below. You have to find and circle the name. Also write their name in the space given below. Like first picture is fruits. Yes. Now second picture is it's a cube. Third picture is it's a mat. Very good. Another picture is it's a horse. Next picture is a glue. And our last picture is the lady is wearing what? She is wearing a suit. So you will write suit. So children, I hope you understood the chapter very well. Now you will revise the vowel U and keep practicing yourself so that you will be perfect in it.